Okay, dear. You've had the buff now, you've pinched the buff, and you've had it for a few weeks now. Can you give me 3 things that you like about the buff? Number 1.
The first thing I like is that it's a lot bigger. It's got a lot more stretch in it. That's probably the second thing. And the fabric's a lot softer. So every other buff that I've ever worn, or pinched from you perhaps, I've never been able to pull it onto my head and hold my hat down comfortably. It's been like choking me. So this is the first one that I've actually been able to wear, and it's probably the only one I'm ever going to wear. I've also found there's so many different ways that you can wear it. It's not just to hold your hat on or around your neck. You can even wear it as beanie, and there's multiple different ways. So that's what's probably got me excited.
Now dear, can you show us 3 different ways to wear the buff?
I can probably show you more, but I'm probably going to start with 3. Last night I went on YouTube and found some great videos. The first way, I'm afraid to show you my hair as I take this off, but this is how I tend to start with it. So the first way is around your neck. So you can just sort of wear it there. This one's a lot looser than the other ones that I've worn before, so it's not, other ones will be choking me. This is nice and loose. Once you've got it like that, you can do lots of other things with it. So the way that I was wearing it, just to pull it up over my hat, holds my hat in place. It's long enough that it'll cover my neck as well. So when we're going fast on the boat, it will hold everything in place. If I really wanted to cover my face, I can do this. The way that I've started wearing it today, which I really like, is more as a headband that sort of holds my hat and it holds my hair at the back, and I just tuck my hair in there. I can't actually see what it looks like at the top. The buffs, this design's got lots of patterns on it, so I found depending on how I fold it, I can make it look like a different buff if I want it to be more white or pink. So that's another way. Does that look alright, dear?
Looks beautiful, dear.
The other way that I'm not going to wear at the moment, but in winter would be a real game changer, is to turn it inside out.
Fold it up a touch there so you're in frame. Yep, that's about right.
Yeah, sorry, I was just fixing it up. And you can actually wear it as a beanie. So if you give it a little twist in the middle, Liam and I last night were actually in front of the mirror watching the video, trying these all out. He was impressed as well. And then turn sort of inside back in the right way. You can see you've sort of got a beanie there. Give it a little bit of a adjustment. Sorry, my hat's going to cope with that very well. I can't actually see, I've probably got a little bit of the underside showing, but that gives you an idea. Something of a beanie for winter, which
Awesome.
I'm going to love, because I hate getting the wind in my ears in winter. It hurts my ears. Cover them up without blowing off. It's nice and stretchy, so it's snug enough to hold your hat in place, but it also has plenty of give still, so that you can do all those different
The original buff. The original and the best. What do you reckon, dear?
I love it. It's the only one I've ever been able to wear. So it's definitely the one that I will wear every time I'm out, whether it's summer or winter.